گولف امیروں کا کھیل ہے۔ ملتان کے رومانزا گولف اینڈ کنٹری کلب کی خاص بات یہ ہے کہ یہاں پر گولف کھیلنے اب بیرون ممالک سے بھی گولف پلیئرز آ رہے ہیں۔ ملتان کا انتخاب کیوں کر رہے ہیں گولف کھیلنے کے لیے، جانتے ہیں انٹرنیشنل پلیئرز سے ہی۔
I've been playing golf now for approximately 15 years. This is our third year now. We've been coming to Multan to play Rumanza Golf Course. We travel as a group because we're all golfers. We enjoy the culture in Pakistan. We enjoy the food. We like to play golf.
I'm from Manchester, UK. I've been coming to Pakistan for the past 3 years, playing in Rumanza for the past couple of years. My experience here in Rumanza is absolutely fantastic. I played in different courses in the Middle East, in Karachi, in UK, in US. Rumanza is one of the best courses I've ever played.
Rumanza is one of the best courses in Pakistan. I would say it's one of the best courses around the world. So it comes in the top 10 in the world.
I've been playing golf for 37 years in Greater Manchester in UK. And we've started travelling for about 20 years to Thailand, to Malaysia, to come and experience the nice weather at this time of the year. In England it's very cold, which is why we're here as a group. And when we found out Rumanza, we came here. Wonderful, wonderful. It's too good, to be honest.
I was always a footballer. Never had any interest in golf, and a couple of years ago, maybe 3 years ago, I broke my foot, and I realised that I now need to take on a different sport. So I got into golf in the UK. I had a couple of lessons with the pros, etc., but unfortunately I didn't really think that this game was for me until my dad brought me to Pakistan 3 years ago. So I've actually had my coaching lessons, my professional lessons, whether it's iron games, driving or putting or whatever. All my development and coaching in golf has come from Pakistan, and I can truly say that the professionals, the caddies, the coaches, the staff, everything about Pakistan, the golf in Pakistan is absolutely phenomenal. They're just as good as anywhere in Europe, America, Far East Asia, or wherever you want to go around the globe.